Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. So this is our first video on HTML tutorial. So let's get started. So what is HTML? HTML is a short form which stands for Hypertext Markup Language, which is used for creating web pages. Many web pages are created using HTML language, and to navigate from one page to another page, HTML is used. So what do you mean by hypertext? Hypertext simply means text within text. So if you write one file which is of HTML language and in that page you are using an anchor tag, so in anchor tag you provide the details for the HTML to navigate to the second page. So in that way you can navigate through multiple pages in HTML. So what do you mean by markup language? A markup language is a computer language that makes text more interactive and dynamic. We will be seeing these all the concepts in the upcoming videos when we will be doing the live demos. So HTML is a language in which most websites are written. HTML is used to create pages and make them functional. So this is little bit the theory about the HTML. So how the HTML code actually looks like. So this is the syntax of HTML code. We will be covering the details about each tag in upcoming slide. So the doc type HTML. So doc type HTML, this tag specifies the language you will be write on the page. So this is the HTML context. So here we have written the HTML type. Second tag that is used here is HTML tag. So this tag signals that from here on we are going to write in HTML code. So every tag in HTML which gets opened should also be closed. So here we have closed the HTML tag. The second tag used here is head. So it should be the first element inside the HTML element. So this is our HTML element and this is the first tag which is used in the HTML element. So head tag, it is the first element inside the HTML element. So in head tag we have the title element. So in title element we can specify the name of the browser or the name of the page that we are going to display. So this is the use of title tag. So here we have closed the head tag. Another tag which is used here is a body tag. Body tag contains the content of page. So content basically what we are going to show on HTML page. So here we have included two tags for demo, h1 and p. h1 stands for heading 1 and p stands for paragraph. What are the features of HTML? So below are the features of HTML. HTML is very easy and simple language. Basically if we learn all the tags, it becomes very easy to understand and write the code in HTML. It is a markup language, so it provides a flexible way to design web pages along with the text. It is a platform independent. If we write the code in HTML for Windows, it will be supported by all other operating systems as it is a platform independent. HTML is a case insensitive language, which means we can use tags either in lowercase or uppercase. Like we have seen how the code is written in HTML. So basically these are the tags that are being used. So we can have these tags in uppercase or lowercase. So that's it for this video. We will be covering next things in the upcoming video.